This is my very new remote control car. I've only driven it a few times. This is my very broken remote control car. I need to fix it. 'Cause it's broken. When I do this, both these back wheels should be spinning, and as you can see, only one of them is. I've also noticed that this entire bearing-y thing right here this should be spinning. And it is on this side, and it is not on this side. Which makes me think there's something wrong right in here, where my thumb is. Which means I have to take off the suspension and everything and find out what is in there and what is not working in there. The problem is, I don't know how this thing works. I have no idea how it functions. So essentially, this is going to be Brenna plays around with the inner workings of her expensive RC car and hopes it doesn't break even more than it's already broken. So let's get into it. So let's take a quick look at the situation. It's in a ton of parts. I don't know what any of them do. I don't know where most of them go. I don't know how I got them apart, and I don't know how to get them back together. Example, what the heck is this? I don't know. Where does it go? I also have no idea. See, this is a problem because this car probably needs whatever the heck this is from wherever the heck it's from to work. I don't know either of those things, what or where it is. I do know that that goes there. The good news is there's a place I can take this to get it fixed. I just wanted to try to do it myself. It's pretty clear how DIY turned out in this situation. These go in here, and this turns and it makes these turn. But somehow they got broken. Or maybe not. I don't really know. Bro, I can't see this thing. I can put this back together. What if I took this side's version of the assembly apart and I saw if the things are supposed to be connected? Well, I can't get them apart. And I don't know how, and everything is covered in grease. Okay, so they're not supposed to be together. Absolutely no clue what is wrong.
possible.